this gadget like so. The light will come on, I'll recognize you, and then you may answer.
I'm going to press it.
Now let's go.
Yes. So I'm gonna do part few of the Oliver video where Oliver teach school challenge quiz with the bright kids and class Z, a class D dunce or dunce but. Anyways, me now go hold up the thing. Thanks for tuning in. You can like the video from now. I know you don't like when me talk, but by liking the video, you guys are helping me go up against YouTube and the algorithm. But anyways, the video is a nice video. Part few, you know what we not deal with? Okay.
Now 6Z, present song! Name the 1972 festival song and the singer.
Oh, Peter Tosh. No, Stevie Wonder, the deaf one.
Sir!
No, that's a pass. Me know that.
All right, say the answer then.
Song name.
Hurry up now. You know if you're wasting a minute.
Make case and me a go pass.
You're gonna make the minute done.
Me a go pass.
No.
Time off. The song is Come Down Off Your Pumps and Pride by Toots and the Maker.
Let's try say.
When you take
What kind of teacher is a mocky student? Oliver, that's not nice. That's not nice of you, Mr. Oliver Samuels. Don't be mad. The man take forever for say toots and make. And he lie to you, see, I never that tomorrow see. But anyways, let's see what else Oliver have up his sleeve with them and don't say pitney here.
Now for the buzzer section. In this section, you lose 1 point for every wrong answer. Now to operate the buzzer, all you need to do when you know the answer is to touch this gadget like so. The light will come on, I'll recognize you, and then you may answer.
I'm going to press it.
Now let's go. What does the acronym USA stand for? 6A?
United States of America.
Correct.
Why you hold up your answer?
In what month do Jamaicans celebrate Christmas? 6A.
What month Jamaica celebrate Christmas? So, the rest of everyone celebrate Christmas during the same time Jamaica celebrate it. Let's continue.
Name the 4th day of the week. Yes! Name Jamaica's only national heroine. What is the...
I just recognize what I go on. 6A and 6Z. A back island then, man. A back island then, you know, say. You always, we don't know, but back in the days, you have 5-1, 5A, 5B, 5C, and sometimes 5D. I don't know how me always in a bright class. I don't know how, cause me always a come 26, 16. It best me come in a grade 5 a primary school. Cause me pass from grade 5. Till me come 10th or 12. But the thing is, me always average like 80 and 85, but me can't budge the top 10 every time. 26, 16, 19. And because my adopted mother, she a teacher, you know, and her kids them when they older than me, could have been my auntie. Went to college and university, you know, man. You know, said the bar high for me, you know. Well, me can't budget 90s, brother. Me can't budget 90s like Risa Pitting them. Be 90 and 100 them average, brother. Me I 80, man. Anyways, let's continue.
Them will answer all the questions them and they not give you a chance. Well, you get a chance. Answer.
6 said,
Boss.
no, you can't pass in any section. Once you press the buzzer, you have to answer the question regardless of where me reaching any question. Now, what is? Wrong. That's very wrong. Okay. The question was, what is the tangent of 45 degrees? And the answer is 1.
I mean, more than one day.
Now, in what month do Americans celebrate the 4th of July? Go ahead, 6 said.
Well, after we don't live into America.
That's bad, but I want it easy. So,
If video done. A video done. Never go search and find the rest of a video done. What month does America celebrate the 4th of July? The answer is June. Me tell you something done a July, man. Oliver so annoyed by Bride pitting them. He man start ball. He man give the answer in the question and it done but 6Z still not get it. Which month America celebrate the 4th of July? They say after they don't live in America. Anyways, hope you had a good laugh like I had a good laugh. If you did, like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell and share the video as well. By you doing all 4, you're helping me fight boom against the YouTube algorithm that's not sharing my videos. Again, you can just look on the views. How me can have that amount of subscribers thanks to you guys, but the views are that low because YouTube ain't recommending.